All right, guys, this is Bank Nifty and 1 minute chart, and let me explain where exactly we entered. So today here we bought put option and booked profit somewhere here in this area. Again, we short Bank Nifty in this area and booked somewhere here profit, and again price goes little bit and we short here and we booked somewhere there. So we did three trade, one, two and another three. So why exactly we short today? Let me tell you here. So as I said morning and yesterday video, I told that we are going to short tomorrow. And even here you can see 9:30 a.m. I already upload in my Telegram channel. You just find my Telegram channel in the below description. And here Bank Nifty sell level given image. So here in this image I have given this area. So we are focusing on a sell side only. So first we sold here, but price not able to hit this level. In the first sold here, and according to the price action method we start selling only. All right. So sorry, not okay, sorry. Not that was yesterday. So today I told Bank Nifty looking for short above key level. So here you can see that was my key level. So here I sold, and again price drop, and I'm selling like that. I'm selling somewhere here, like that. So why I sold? So here I can see in a small time frame. So just a minute, small time frame. So first we got a sell opportunity. We booked the profit. So why? There was standard deviation line. Again, we have seen this a big rally. That was a rejection point, and a rejection. So act as a resistance and confirm sell signal. So that is where we are only selling today here. So next, press pull back again and got a confirmation and again sold somewhere here. So means basically we are buying put option. So let me explain. In this area, there was a huge stop loss. So we reduce the delta, right? What is the meaning of that? So if stop loss is too far, so we never place like 20 rupees, 30 rupees. If stop loss is 80 rupees, 100 rupees, we reduce the delta. If stop loss is very closer like that, somewhere here, entry point, and let's say here, that is a stop loss, and this one entry point is somewhere here, and SL is somewhere there, in between this range. Suppose it is 80 rupees, so we reduce the delta. Basically, I prefer around 30 delta. Means if price goes up 100 rupees against me, my premium will decay only 30 rupees. All right. If stop loss is very low, so here I can see 30 rupees SL swing. So I increase the delta. That may 50 delta. Means if price goes 100 rupees, my loss will be 30 rupees. All right. So if it goes 30 rupees, so my SL will be very low. So that is the rule. Okay. So here I can see in my trading platform. So here you can see we are using price action method. Let me show you here. So first, a 15-minute candle that was bull candle means here I can see that was a bull candle up to this area. So next candle form and goes little bit and again pull back and close somewhere there. So after that they form a bearish candle. So once appear bearish candle, I'm ready to short. Means I'm ready to buy put. So here I can see. Let me show you. So in this area and here, if you not see, I just connected. There was almost 200 point SL. Does it make sense? 200 point SL somewhere in this area. Just a minute. Here, from this area to this level, 200 points. So what I did, I bought 20 delta put option. Stock price was somewhere here, right? I selected far out of the money. So because I know it may retest this level, So there was 200, above 200. So I selected 20 delta only. So means if price pull back to this level, my loss will be 40 rupees only. All right. If I buy here, at the money, in the same time, what will be there? If price goes to 100, so my loss will be 100. Premium will decrease by 100 rupees. So that is why I uh, reduce the delta. That is the important. I never change the lot size. Most of the people are changing when they are doing like position sizing or money management. They are changing the lot size. If uh, stop loss is bigger, then they reduce the uh, lot size, and if stop loss is like a smaller, they increase the um, lot size. Yeah, that's also good system, but basically I prefer on delta. All right. So here you can see we entered. So next candle triggered somewhere here, and the first hit this level. So why I was waiting my position. So I just expecting that price will drop today, and the price goes uh, straight line like that, and again drastically drop. So I was expecting that at least they will break this lower point. So finally here you can see when they approach this area, so it's a bull candle, sorry, very strong bearish candle somewhere there. So that is why I hold my position. And here you can see once I enter somewhere there, and the price drop and pull back, again drop and pull back. So I shifted my SL to the swing point and finally drop and the pull back. I shifted my SL somewhere here and close little bit and pull back. And here I can see price are struggling in this area. So once they break this level, I close my position. So here you can see that was a pattern. So let me show you. Yeah. So in this area, have you seen what type of pattern? Pullback goes up, pullback, and finally they broke this level. So finally I close here my position. So later price again goes little bit, but I'm not interested to take in a upper side or call side because today I was focusing on sell side only. So next here, let me show you next where they from. Price goes little bit here, but I'm not interested to take any position. Again, pull back and goes up to this level. And after that, so most of the people are thinking, hey, in this candle, we have seen some sell opportunity, or here I can see retest this level. Why I'm not interested to take any position? So after giving a big rally, so in this area, when they forming this red candle, so price near lower Bollinger, this one lower Bollinger, here is the upper Bollinger, right? So what exactly means price always running like that near Bollinger, right? This one Bollinger when it's running like that. So basically we are focusing on when price pull back or retest near upper Bollinger. So that is why I'm looking for short. But in this area, Bollinger Band was somewhere there, not now in this area. So let me show you where was Bollinger Band. Then it comes to know. Okay, now you can see. Here I can see they form a red candle, but Bollinger Band is too far from this area. So that is why I'm not interested to take sell direction. Even I was planning to sell only. All right. So later on here you can see. Next, price goes little bit, and in this candle, have you seen? Let me show you in this candle. So once they appear red candle and a key level, so we need a red candle key level. So here you can see that was also key level. They forming red candle, but Bollinger Band was too far. And the next here you can see they form a red candle and the Bollinger Band are closer. So that is why we are just focusing on the sell side only. So we entered. So let me show you where exactly we entered here. Okay, just a minute. Okay, price goes in this area. Have you seen? All right. So first candle they form here. So another here. Let me show you. What was my FL? So here my entry point, and SL was here 72. First trade that was 200 SL. So that is why I selected 20 delta. Now here my SL, this higher point, SL is only 72 point or 75 point, you can say like that. So I increased the delta. In that case, I used 35 delta. First trade I used 20 delta. Next trade, because here SL is closer comparatively previous trade, so that is why I selected 35 delta. All right, so later on here you can see in this candle smaller time frame, here you can see price goes, pull back, fail to create break this level and pull back, and here you can see again retest, and somewhere here I enter in this area. So we have seen some pattern. So after that, here you can see just a minute. Okay, so here in this area, so right next candle they're forming, so exactly we entered here 58, almost 58. This candle we place sell trigger order below this area, so triggered my sell order, little bit given correction. So after that, price drop drastically to this level. All right, in this level. Okay, yeah, it is not updated till my, let me make it 1 minute. Okay, I can see here where, yeah, so perfect. So here I can see we enter somewhere there, and price drop and hit this level. So next, when I close somewhere here, so that is the breakout trading strategy, means we entered in this area, price drop and break this level I was holding. So next candle they form here bullish, I close my position, we enter somewhere there, and we close our position in this area. And the next, according to this trend line, we have seen some rejection again somewhere here. So we enter again according to this breakout after breaking this point. So here they confirm us. So later here you can see I draw a trend line, and price broke this level, given little bit correction, and booked exactly this standard deviation. That was not imaginary line. We are using standard deviation. Let me show you. So first here you can see today IV. Let me show you today's IV. Where is the IV opening point? This one 15-minute chart. Okay, this one opening point, and here you can see open 13.75. So I use IV 13.73 or 75, whatever, almost same. It's not that much difference. Okay, so here opening point, and opening point here you can see 4.3. Just a minute. In this candle 43261. So let me use here 43261. Let me remove again 43261, and let me enter. Yeah, automatically detecting. So you can see that line are exactly here. The lower boundary 1 point, that one that is 0.5 standard deviation, where 43,105. Now you can see 0.5, 43,105. Have you seen 0.5 standard deviation? That is the key level. So we are not placing any imaginary line. We just placing by using standard deviation. So automatically hit that level. And another upper side, let me show you upper side. So first, one standard deviation. Let me here, no rejection. So suddenly price goes to this level and broke this level. That is 0.5 standard deviation, and this one standard deviation line. All right. So here I can see when they approach within 15 minutes, when price approach, there are no rejection near 0.5 standard deviation. All right, no rejection. So that is why we are not planning to short in this area. So once price reach that level where standard deviation, they reject this point. So we can enter here, but we need a confirmation. So where next confirmation? They form a red candle. So that was the lower point. Once they form a red candle, we start sorting our position. All right. So that is the key level. That was a key level. That is the key level. So how beautifully they're respecting. Have you seen? That is the power of standard deviation. So this key level, all right, this key level, all right, this key level broke this again, pull back again, hit this level. This is that is the key level. So that is the key level. That is the key level. So finally, last that is the perfect key level. So we booked our profit and come out from the market. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for giving your valuable time. So if you wanna, you need the daily update, you just join my Telegram channel. That is the free.